In this episode, we are eating our breakfast. I begin by walking into the kitchen and turning on the coffee maker. Notice these verbs: to walk into or to walk in, to turn on. Those two verbs are very common in English. So I don't just walk to my kitchen, I walk into my kitchen and turn on the coffee maker. The coffee maker, all of that is one word, is the machine that we can guess makes the coffee and skimmed milk, and it has other utilizations. That is the coffee maker. Usually a coffee maker has water on the top place where you put the water, and then it has a place for actual coffee or ground coffee. Ground coffee is a kind of coffee that is ground so that it can be processed with water. Now you take the coffee and you put it into a piece of paper or a piece of plastic called a filter. Now, filter is something that allows water to seep into or to go through, but it doesn't allow the coffee to go through that process as well. It just filters the particles of coffee. So you put the coffee into the filter and the hot water goes through the coffee. It goes out of the filter and it goes into the coffee pot. Pot or the coffee pot is on the top. So you have the coffee filter, and the coffee pot. After the water goes through the coffee, what you have to throw out or what you have to remove when you are done are called the coffee grounds. Well, I put in the coffee filter and water the night before, meaning in this case, last night, so that it's ready to go. Meaning when I walk into the kitchen, it's already ready. I just have to turn it on. Some coffee makers have clocks that will automatically turn your coffee maker on in the morning, which is good technology. Next, I open the door of the cupboard where the cereal is stored. The cupboard, which looks like the word cup and the word board, smushed together, but is pronounced cupboard. A cupboard is like cabinet. Next, I open the door of the cupboard where the cereal is stored. The cupboard P is silent. Cupboard, which looks like the word cup and the word board, but smushed together, but is pronounced cupboard. So the P is silent. A cupboard is like cabinet. It's a place where you store things, a place where you keep things. Store as a verb means to keep something in a place. To keep something in a cupboard or a cabinet or a box. Well, the cupboard is what we call the cabinets that are in the kitchen. They are wooden boxes that have doors on them that you can put things in. Usually it's a big cupboard. You have different shelves. Shelves, the singular is shelf. We'll stop here in this podcast. In our next episode, what we are going to do is we are going to welcome you to the table where we are processing coffee and having breakfast together. I love you all, and I'll see you again in another podcast.